To insert SIM card into POCO C85, we need to take a look at the left side of the phone where we can find the SIM tray. There's also the SIM tray hole, and we can use the eject tool in order to eject the SIM tray. You can find your eject tool inside the box of your phone. We're gonna put it into this hole, and then we're gonna use a little bit of force in order to push it into the phone so that the SIM tray pops out slightly. And then we can use our fingernails or fingers in order to remove it from the phone completely. Over here, this is the front side. It is also written over here on the SIM tray that this is the front. So now we can insert our SIM card. So we're gonna put it in just like that, match the shape. I actually dropped it, sorry about that. We're gonna try that one more time. There we go. And then we're gonna put the second SIM card as well. Of course, if you have just one, that's fine. But if you have two, I'm just showing you that it is possible to actually use both SIM cards at the same time. All right, now we're gonna put it back into the phone. Just slide it in and make sure that you can actually put it all the way in, that it doesn't stick out. If it does, then you want to make sure that your SIM cards are inserted properly. And that's pretty much it. If you're looking for more guides for POCO C85, be sure to check out my channel and please subscribe.